Legends of Learning presents the Nitro Time game. This is a math game that makes learning about measures affecting volume and surface area of rectangular prisms fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, you dream of becoming the fastest racer. Talent alone will not be enough to be the best. You'll also have to improve your car by working in the surface area and volume workshop together with Lucy. Use the mouse to click and adjust different dials to correctly form the right-sized objects to fit into the vehicle. Insert numbers to answer math questions on volume, length, width, height, and area of different shaped objects. After upgrading your car, drive in the race to see if you can complete the race before your fuel runs out. Use the arrow keys to drive and spacebar for nitro. Use nitro to travel faster to the next finish line. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.